Alright guys, so welcome back to this video, and in this video we are going to fix what we were getting in the last video, of course, right? So in the last video we have already fixed the database part, but I was getting few problems with my friend request, right? So let us try to fix that again, right? Okay, so I'll again just speak. Okay, I'll just speak and I'll say hey, I see that there are few problems with my applications, right? So can you please just have a look and see what all features are working fine and what all features are misbehaving. One example I gave you that friend request wala feature is misbehaving. So I don't know other features, right? So just have a look to my application, front end, back end, everything, and just let me know that if it's working fine or not. Let's see. Okay, let's wait and let's uh, see what happens. Okay, cool. See, it's going through all my files, right? It is going through package.json, like, and then app.tsx, main chat interface. It is scanning each and every file and folder. See, this is the benefit when we are using cursor, right? It has the complete context, right? We don't have to like other AI models. We don't have to give the files and all those things. It is working perfectly. Like in itself is an ID, so it has the complete code access. It is doing everything on its own. I'm just doing accept. Grabbed phone number.js, unique, true, user registration. So it is just getting everything, user registration, validation, and all those things. Okay, and also we'll ask him to create a diagram of like functionalities that we have implemented. We'll ask him to that. Okay, just create me a pictorial representation of like how the flow is working, right? So we'll ask him to do that as well. Okay, in a while. Yeah, run it. Run everything. Just run everything. So, but again, I'll not recommend you to auto run the terminal commands because I'm just seeing that okay, it's curl request. So curl request is not a problem for me, right? So that's why I'm saying that okay, curl request is good to go. So we can go for the curl request. Now let me check the front end socket connection and some potential issues. Okay. So, feature working correctly, user registration and authentication, backend API, friend request system. Okay, so it says friend request is working perfectly. Feature with issue, friend request system, front end, major issue. The friend request feature has been critical bug. Front end problem is that user function is incorrectly implemented. Okay, the issue is the backend returns ID, but the front end expects. Oh, that is the problem. See, there lies the problem. Backend returns underscore ID and the frontend expects ID. Right? This causes friend request not being sent properly. That is the problem, guys. That is the problem. Right? Shall I ask him to fix? Shall I ask him to fix uh, the problem that you have raised? Can you fix that problem, please? Yep, it's done. It's fixing. So overall assessment, backend 95% working correctly. Okay. Frontend 80% working correctly. Friend request feature 60% working. See, I specifically mentioned friend request feature, so it has taken that as a special consideration, right? And then chat system 90% working correctly. Real time feature 85% working correctly. Okay, cool. Cool. Let's keep all the files and let's see if everything is working fine or not. Okay, and also I'll ask him to tell me how can I test end-to-end features, right? Just let me know step by step. Also, I'll say him to kill my applications, front and back end, kill everything, clear my database, and then run everything. Do it. So good, yaar. See, cursor is so good. Very good. Let's do it. Come on. A fixed chat API response format. Okay. So it is fixing everything. Okay, cool. And so see, it has done all the changes, and now it is asking me to kill the Node server, and I'll keep all the files, and now it is asking me to run it again. Right? Okay, run it. And okay, status health is okay and perfect. Things are working. Run it. So it has made all the changes. It has killed the server, and it has restarted the server, and it has checked the health also, that okay, everything is working fine. Right, now let's see. Excellent, friend request is working correctly. Perfect. So now it says that yes, friend request is working correctly. Okay, cool, which is good. Perfect. Now test is okay, cool. So it is testing all the APIs in itself. All the APIs in itself it is testing. Okay, we'll ask him to prepare a test document as well, right? Okay, cool. Fix summary. So it is giving fix summary. See, fix summary is very important. So whenever you fix anything, right? When you release it, right? When there is a release note, right? To every release note, you have to give a fix summary, right? Okay, in this particular release, what all bugs you have fixes, or what all major development you have done, right? You have to give that part as well, right? Okay, let's say let's ask him. So I'll kill everything, I'll kill all my servers, and I'll say done buddy, let's do one thing. Let's start front end backend once again, and please do clear the database as well. I don't want any previous data in my database. I'll start a fresh communication, or like a fresh application, and please do a restart of backend front end and just clear the database. See, let's start it as fresh. So kill, it will say that also it's already killed. Why it is already killed? Because I have already killed everything. Haha. Yeah. So WhatsApp ka database it has to clear, because that I have not cleared. So it should drop. Yeah, it's dropping the tables. Dropping database actually, not tables. It's dropping the database. npm run dev. Click. Oh god. Click to be in focus. Yes, it's in focus. So backend is running now. Let's wait for front end to run. Yeah, here comes the front end part. Click to focus. Okay, run everything. Click to focus. Yeah, so front and back end both is running. So let me rename this. Rename backend, and this is rename to front end. Run this. Database found, no database found. Perfect. Now it is creating a switching to WhatsApp database. Perfect. The database is completely empty, no collection. Let me just test an API. Okay, so now it is testing the API. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Cool. Everything is a fresh start. Okay, perfect. So now it's a fresh start, but I have to log out from here. Reload it. Network tab, I don't have anything. Console, I don't have anything. Perfect. So I'll copy this, and let me open another browser. Right, let me open another browser. Wait a minute. Yeah, so I have one browser here. Let me log out it from here. Okay, just give me a minute, yaar. This is like this. Okay, and this should be like this. Let's say test name Rishabh, right? Or not Rishabh actually. This should be Rishi, and right, it should be Rishabh, and profile photo should be a bit different, maybe this one, and this profile photo should be different, maybe this one. right? So Rishi, oh, let's make it a girl, right? Rishi is a girl. Okay, Rishi is a girl and this is a boy. Create account. Yes. Create account. Yes. Now let's discover people. Okay. Okay, we have, right? So both are showing, right? They both are visible to each other. Perfect. So now, shall I add friend? Oh, friend request. I got it. Accept it. Friends. Now we both are friends. So can we both chat now? How can we chat now? Oh, we have here and say hi. Oh my god, it's working. Hello. Are we don't get hello over here. Okay. Hi. Okay. Bye bye. Something is misbehaving. Tada. Yeah, so messages are not getting updated on the real time, right? If you see, like if I send a message from here, uh, hey, hey, right? So it has gone from here. Let me take a screenshot of it so that I can ask my GPT to fix it. Not GPT actually, cursor to fix it, right? Okay, let's do this. Let's do it. Let's do it. So yeah, and what are you doing? What are you doing? Right, so it has not gone over here. Now okay, let me take a screenshot of this first. So I'll save it to desktop, right? And if I send over here, nothing much. And see, now it has shown the messages, but now it has not updated this message. Okay, so let me again take a screenshot of this. Okay, so save to desktop. Okay bro, and now it has shown this, but now okay bro is not there, right? So let me take a 3 screenshots. I guess 3 screenshots would be enough. And yeah, save it to desktop. Okay, so yes, now I guess this is working fine. That friend request and chat is working fine, right? We still have few issues, and I guess we'll fix those issues in the next video, right? And that's it for this video. We'll meet you again with the new fixes in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and let's meet in the other video. Till then, thank you, bye bye, and good night.